Welcome! In front of me I've got Nissan X-Trail e-Power. In this video I'll show you how to check paint code of your car. Follow me. Paint code is mostly located on the VIN sticker. VIN sticker is located behind driver's doors and the paint code is 3 letters code right here. In this part is KAD. You can buy the new paint for your car, for example on color and drive. Select your Nissan X-Trail and match the color. As you can see, KAD is Graphite Shadow Metallic. And that's basically it. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.